Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lendarvic Fashion, and this is me. I have here the pattern for this jumpsuit. This is intended for a beach wedding attire, and I have a client for this one. Before cutting the fabric, I need to disconnect this. I need to cut this one to omit this line. This is the dart for the back, and this part also I need to cut it, okay, to remove or to eliminate the dart. And then this is the pattern for the lower part. I'm going to follow this straight line for the front and this one for the front, and I have here the necessary marks, okay. And I'm gonna show you the materials to be used. These are the laces. You see, I bought this here in Dubai on her model. It's like two combinations of laces. It's like, it would be like this, okay. And the fabric for the main material is crepe, so we agreed that I'm going to use crepe, and this is the lining. It's quite thick, it's like jersey. It's an elastic lining, okay. Let's proceed with the cutting, and it is with zipper at the back. I need to follow this inner mark on the side, and then the outer mark on the crotch, and then this part I'm gonna follow this one, the inner mark for the front and the inner mark here for the side. This is for the inseam, okay. I'm gonna trace it now, and I'll be using white chalk. But here on the inseam, you have to leave an allowance of ½ inch also, and ½ inch on the sides. Then follow the outer mark or the edge of your pattern. There. You have to follow this inner mark for the crotch. There. We're going to cut 1 inch here on this area so that if you need like to make a bit loose, then you still have the allowance. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the lining, and I just need to pattern the one I cut, or to pattern the main material. Now I'm going to cut this one. This is for the back. I need to follow this direction of the selvage to avoid stretching here on this part. This is for the back, and I'm gonna get now the front. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the lining. This is for the band. There is allowance here for the back because it has zipper